Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today our group want to present our video assignment for subject ACC116, which is the title is Overhead. This is our group member for the group project. So here are 3 questions that we need to answer in this video. So for question A is discuss any of the 5 difference between activity-based costing and traditional costing for overhead competition. Question B, explain any 2 importance of cost driver in activity-based costing. Question C, explain any 3 advantage and 2 disadvantage of activity-based costing. Question A, discuss any of the 5 difference between activity-based costing and traditional costing for overhead competition. So the first difference is scope. While activity-based costing can be used to allocate both manufacturing and non-manufacturing overhead like selling and administration, traditional costing can only be used to absorb manufacturing overhead. This is so that the cost can be allocated after taking into account the real cost center for the period. Next is management. Traditional costing might not give much insight into cost control and activity performance. Finding activity that contribute to high cost or ways to cut those expenses is challenging. The performance collected in activity-based costing enable improved controls of activity costs and performance. It enables the analyst to pinpoint tasks that need to become more cost-effective or those that don't bring enough value. So I will pass to the next presenter, Aziz Hilmi.
Thank you, Aziz Haikal. For the question B, I will explain about 2 important of cost driver in activity-based costing. Cost allocation accuracy. Cost driver make it possible to allocate cost to goods, services, or clients in a more accurate and equitable manner. ABC focus on cost driver that have a strong causal connection with resource consumption rather than just using random allocation based like direct labor hours or machine hours. This increases the cost allocation precision and guarantees that costs are allocated in accordance with the actual cost of those expenditures. For the second one is performance measurement and decision making. Cost drivers offer useful information on the profitability and effectiveness of goods, services, or clients. The most resource and cost-intensive tasks can be identified with the aid of ABC systems. Better decisions may be made regarding product mix, pricing strategies, resource allocation, and process improvement project thanks to this knowledge. So I will pass to next presenter, Yusafrina.
Thank you, Hazilmi, for the presentation just now. So I'm going to start for the question C. It is about explain any 3 advantages of activity-based costing. The first one is accurate cost allocation. Compared to conventional costing technique, ABC offers a more precise and comprehensive picture of expenses. It identifies and allocates costs to certain activities, making it possible to more precisely allocate resources. Better decisions are made in terms of price, product mix, and resource allocation as a result of this accuracy. The second one is customer profitability analysis. The analysis of the profitability of certain consumer or client segment is made easier by ABC. Organization can calculate the cost of providing service to each client by tying expenses to certain activity. This information is useful for locating high-value clients, comprehending their requirements, and tailoring services to increase profitability. So the last one is continuous improvement. The areas for cost reduction, process improvement, and performance improvement are highlighted by ABC to foster our culture of continuous improvement. It pushes business to find and remove waste, streamline procedure, and boost efficiency, which results in continuing improvements to business operation and financial performance. That's all from me. Thank you.
Thank you, Josefina, for the presentation just now. And now, I will also explain for question C, which is the disadvantages of activity-based costing. So the first one is limited applicability. ABC is not suitable for all organizations or industries. It is more beneficial in complex production or service environments with diverse activities and cost drivers. Industries with simple cost structures or homogeneous products may find traditional costing methods more appropriate and cost effective. And the second one is time-consuming data collection. ABC relies heavily on data collection and analysis. It requires gathering detailed information about activities, their costs, and the resources consumed. This data collection process can be time-consuming and may require significant effort to ensure accuracy. Organizations with complex processes or multiple cost drivers may face challenges in obtaining reliable data for ABC calculations. So that's all from me. Thank you.
So that's all for our group video presentation. Thank you and Assalamualaikum.